Hey guys, today I'm working with an estate brand matching washer and electric dryer set. And that's a Whirlpool washer and dryer made by Whirlpool. And I've got it going, pretty heavy jeans and towel load there. Filled up, agitating. You can hear it, nice strong agitation. The washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked and everything has to work perfect before it gets listed up for sale. Then I do this video as if you were standing here yourself, checking it out so you can see, know everything works good. Take it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. So I'm going to show you that it drains the water out next, moves through the wash and into the rinse cycle, and then we've got a nice, fast, smooth spin cycle at the end. Then we'll take those clothes, throw them over to the dryer, and show you that everything on the dryer works perfect. So we'll come back. All right, moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. You can hear it draining that water out, nice and fast. And I won't lift the lid up and interrupt this neutral draining cycle. So once it's done here, it'll click over and do the first spin, which is still a part of the rinse cycle. Then it'll go through, fill up with clean water, agitate once more, and then drain out. Then we'll be on to the final spin, and that's what we'll come back for next. All right, we moved into the final spin. You can see it's a nice smooth operation. Sounds great. I'll go ahead and lift the lid up and show you that it is spinning nice and fast. And the lid switch will kick in, so you can see that works. And shut it down. There you go. All right, we'll let that finish up. We'll move over to the dryer. All right, and I've got those clothes moved over here to the matching dryer. Show them right there. Close that up. We've just got it set to time dry, which is a high heat setting. You've also got a no heat, low heat, and auto that you could just set it and forget it there. So let's go. As you can see in here, sounds great. Nice smooth operation. And I'm gonna show you that it is heating like it's supposed to. Right in between those two red dots, it takes a surface temperature measurement. You can see the kind of difference between the machine and the floor there. It jumps around a little bit. So we'll go ahead and open this up. We're gonna shoot it right inside the heating element tube. You can see there's plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. Grab a picture. And so heat comes out of that tube. The heating element is kind of right here behind this plate here. And the inside of your dryer is gonna get anywhere from about 95 up to 195. And that just depends on what you have your heat setting at up here. So we'll go ahead and let those finish up, get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.